The tip of your soldering iron is sensitive to damage from heat and chemicals. Tinning your soldering iron will keep it in good working order for several years. To tin your iron, ensure it is hot and clean, then place a protective bead of solder on all sides of the iron tip. The solder bead will hang down, but all sides of the tip will be protected whether the iron is on or off. To give your iron the best protection, you will want to tin it both during use and in preparation for storage. Your iron will be on while you work on a project, but you will not be using it all the time. Clean and tin your iron when you expect to set it aside for more than a few minutes. Your iron's tip will slowly oxidize during storage if not coated in solder. Protect your iron during storage by tinning the tip prior to turning it off. When the iron has completely cooled, it may be put away for a long time, ready to perform just as well as when you last used it. Click here for the next Soldering Skills for the Beginner video. If you have any questions about the material discussed, please use the comment section below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.